Hey, Anurag this side. Hello to the Humanity Founders team. For Marketplace Hackathon, I made this B2B textile website called Fabrica. I have made this using Mernstack as per the instructions. So I'll take you through the website. So first of all, just refresh the page. Okay, so here's the landing page of my website. User can just take a look at it and he can start exploring. Okay, so we are at the marketplace and here we can see there are different filters. We can apply one of the filters and yeah, we can see the results. So if I try to interact with any product, it says I have to log in. So let's do that. Okay, so here we have to choose that if we are a buyer or seller. So uh, on this browser, I'm gonna show you the buyer side. So I'll just click buyer. So for authentication, we have two options. The first one is enter email, enter password, and the verification link is sent to your email, and you have to verify that link. And the other one is simple Google sign in. So to keep the video short and keep this simple, I'll just do it with Google sign in. So I will click here. So here I can see my mail. So I'll just click it. Okay, so for the new buyers, there is a small setup they need to do. So I'll just quickly do it. Okay, so we have logged in successfully. So the marketplace looks little different than before. Like you can see at top left corner, there is a tag called picked for you. So let's check if it's real or just the system is not lying to us. So I will just hover on it and it tells me why it's picked for me. Matches with your denim preference. So the setup we did earlier, it's really working. Here it's showing the reason fits your under 50,000 budget. So that's how AI picks best products for you. Now I would like to buy a fabric. I can search that fabric here like denim, but I have better way. I will just use AI mode given by the website. So I'll click here and I'll type jeans fabric and okay, wait, I have better idea. We can make it little difficult for the AI. Instead of typing it in English, I'll type it in Hindi. मुझे jeans के लिए fabric दिखाओ. So I'll hit enter. Let's see if AI can do that for us.
Here are some premium denim fabric
Okay,
options
it
for your
understands.
jeans
So
collection
I'll
that fit your
just
budget and
quickly
preferences.
turn off this voice. Okay, so it understands our Hindi also. So from all these options, I'll select the first one. So here we can see the information about the product like GSM, the cloth, and the price, and also other information. But here the features at the bottom help me find the best product for me. So the compare one is my favorite. So let's try it. So here we can compare our product with similar product. So I'll compare it with this one. So the system is generating the comparison. Here we can see the point to point comparison between these two, like price, GSM, the application durability, and it really helps. Also we can see the similar products, the reviews. Let's see, yes, there is a review which is given by me from different account. Also there is a Q&A section. Let's test it. Can I make Yes, you can make change. So the Q&A section is also working. So now I'll just buy it. Okay, so here I need to check out. At time of checkout, it tells me to add the address. So I'll just quickly add the address. And after saving the address, I'll just click to continue to review. Now here I have to review the order and it's confirmed, so I can place order. Okay, so our order has been placed. So let's see the details of the order. Now to move between these stages from pending to accepted, accepted to prepare, the seller which owns that product has to do some updations. So in different browser, I have the seller's account logged in. Yes, he got the notification of receiving the order. Here you can see. At seller side, we can see the different information like the total sales, the order he has, the number of product he has published, different section like where he need to take action, recent orders, and the inventory alerts. Basically, when any of his product has less than 100 quantity left, that product is shown here. So right now we have to take action against this product. Here we can just accept the order or reject it. So if the order is not rejected or order not accepted by the seller, the buyer can still cancel it, but we won't be doing that. We will simply accept the order. Okay, so as you can see, the notification are sent in the browser of the buyer. Now here to move between stages, we can just click the button. Now to dispatch, again we have to click the button. Now to dispatch to completed, this part depends on the delivery. So in our project there is no delivery, so to make it little realistic, what I have done is I added the 1 minute timer here. So after 1 minute every order gets completed. So here we can see, as we can see, after 1 minute the order is completed. So the buyer can download the purchase invoice. You can see the invoice. Also, the seller can download the sales invoice. Also, when there is a order completed, a payment record is added about that regarding that order. So we can see that here. Yes, we can download the purchase. Now I will show you the seller side. Okay, so I already shown you the dashboard. This is a profile section. This is the similar setup the seller has to done at time of onboarding. I won't be showing you that because that will make video little longer. I'll show you the product section. So here are the products this seller has uploaded. I'll show you by adding another product. Okay, so here we need to enter a lot of data, but no worries, I already prepared that. So I have entered the data. Now I would show you how I am uploading the images. The images and the colors are binded together. So I'll just show you how that works. I'll click upload. I'll just choose gray. Now here, instead of just writing the color names like WHITE, the seller has a better approach. He can just click this button, whoever hits a cursor on the image, he can select the color easily. So it also helps the seller and buyer also get the real color. It increases the user experience eventually. I'll add another color. This time I'll choose lotus. Okay, I'll click on this picker again. I'll choose color, and here I have the option to save it as a draft. So if by any reason I think I don't want to publish this product, and I want to publish it later, I can just save it as a draft, and later if I want to publish it, I can just click on it and I can click continue. Here I can review if all the information is right, and I can hit the publish product. So on the seller side, we can check if the product is live or not. In marketplace, let's see if it's there or not. Yes, here it is. So that's the overall flow of the website. So apart from this, I would like to point out few things which I kept in mind while making this website. So I tried to make this as per the industrial standards of the coding and the development. For example, to store the tokens, I used the session storage instead of local storage because it's the right industrial practice. Also, the search bar you see here has the functionality of the debouncing, so the server has less load. Also to store the images and the data like that, I have used the blob storage. I used the Cloudinary. Another thing I did is uh, I know I'm gonna put the link of this website on the Telegram. So to ensure the safety and to keep it safe from the DDoS attacks, I have also implemented the rate limiting. So it's not just a front end and a good looking website, but I'm also trying to implement the concepts of the system design here. Also, I would like to show you the small and very small UI implementation which, which are pretty ignored sometimes, but I feel these small things are very important. Like in this sign up section, for the password, I have this beautiful validation part. When user tries to enter the password one by one, the valid as per the right password, the validation are completed. Another thing is uh, in address section, for example, here for states I have provided this search bar which makes it easy. Another thing is while adding a product, I'll just add a test data here, random test data. Here if I enter a numeric value, the automatic separator gets added. So the reason of showing all of these small things are what I feel is when we try to build the product best in the first version, the back and forth which happens between the tester and the developer, it get reduced, so it reduces the time of development. So yeah, this was the website I made, and I would like to thank you the Humanity Founders team for this hackathon opportunity. I learned a lot, not only the tech part but the how to do the job when there is a time constraint. So yeah, I hope we'll stay connected, and thank you for the opportunity. Bye.